Welcome to Building an AI Dream Team for Business. Hi, everyone. It's great to have you here. My name is Teresa Yunkin, and I am deeply committed to bridging the gap between healthcare and technology, making it accessible and impactful for all. As an informaticist, you will find me here bridging the gap between the technology and the business sides of an organization, showing healthcare leaders how to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to new technologies. Whether you're struggling with trying to make informed decisions about new technologies or dealing with constant changes in the market, we've got you covered. One of the questions I am often asked is, I know about ChatGPT, but what resources do I need on my team to get started with AI? Well, today I'm going to bring you some light on how to build out your AI dream team and my insights into what types of roles you should consider to support your AI proof of concept. Now, these are the same considerations and the analysis I used when building out my own personal AI powered app. You can find an earlier post on the value of starting with the proof of concept in an earlier post in my feed. So let's get started. As we know, public knowledge and exposure to AI technology was ignited with the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT in November of 2022. Since that time, the use cases that are most prevalent in conversations center around how can AI help automate repetitive tasks, like freeing up team members to focus on more complex and creative work, how AI can analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights that can inform your decision making, and how AI can improve customer experiences through chatbots, personalization, and recommendation engines. Growing your public knowledge. In December of 2022, Pew Research viewed approximately 11,000 people, and they reported on AI knowledge over three areas. And here's what they found. In the first category, interaction with AI, 44% of respondents believe that they did not interact regularly with AI. Now, let's compare that to June 2023, when a survey by SimilarWeb reported the use of ChatGPT growing on average 3.4% a day. The second category, the awareness of AI applications. 62% of the respondents knew AI had a role in security cameras that recognized faces. In August of 2023, Ipsos reported 49% of adults say that they use AI to search for information, and the 44% that were surveyed use AI to learn new things. The last category that was covered was the level of awareness. Now, in Pew's December survey, 30% of Americans showed a high level of awareness about AI applications. Again, Ipsos showed in August of 2023 in their survey results that 67% of adults say that they have a good understanding of what AI is. Now, as we can see, public adoption of AI continues to grow despite its changing technological capabilities. Now, let's talk about the economic realities of this competitive environment. Well, we have increasing demand. Now, there's a growing demand for AI and data related positions due to the rapid advancements and the adoption of AI technologies across various industries. Now, this demand is expected to continue to rise as more businesses realize the benefits of AI and they seek to integrate it into their operations. Along with increasing demand does come competitive salaries. And due to the high demand and the specialized skills that are required, positions in the AI field tend to offer more competitive salaries. And this is particularly true for roles like data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists. Number three, evolving skill requirements. Now, the skill sets that are required for AI related positions are continually evolving. Now, that requires that those that are involved and who have these skill sets are always doing continuous learning and they're always upskilling to remain relevant in the field. So, if you can understand cloud platforms, machine learning frameworks, and ethical considerations in AI, those are becoming increasingly more important across these skills. Number four, we've got diverse opportunities. In the AI job market, there is such a large, diverse amount of opportunities because various sectors, including healthcare, finance, retail, and technology, are growing. This diversity is expected to expand, and that's going to offer a broad range of career opportunities for individuals who have different expertise and interests. Next is remote working opportunities. As soon as we're bringing people back in, the advent of this new technology is requiring that we now think about hybrid work opportunity. We know the pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work. And now a lot of people with these different skills are in the places that they want to be. This trend is going to continue of remote work opportunities. And if you want to expand your talent pool, you're going to have to then again think about more remote work opportunities because these people want to be where they are, regardless of geographic location. Shouldn't be a barrier. Lastly, building out a continuous learning culture. Now, organizations are fostering a culture of continuous learning to keep their teams updated with the latest AI technologies and their practices, and that's going to have to continue. Just like we're upskilling the new workforce that we're going to be bringing in, we're going to have to upskill those within our own organizations, and building out that continuous learning culture does have costs to it. We can see that the trends suggest a favorable job market for individuals with skills in AI and those related fields now and for the foreseeable future. Now, it's advisable to stay updated on these industry trends, engage in continuous learning, and you need to be networking with professionals in the field to make most of these employment opportunities in the AI domain as you're reaching out to this new talent pool. Let's talk about building the foundation of your AI team. Now, this is where having a good strategic plan pays off. You're going to be breaking down the resources into the areas, and I'm going to show on the next slide how to get a better understanding of where your organization is and where AI fits into your roadmap when it comes to resource planning. When you're investigating if your organization should build, buy, or partner, consider these functional areas of your organization. As you can see here, the 3 functional buckets of resource allocation that I've got broken out here on this page are in your operations. So you're most likely, these areas already exist in your organization. And here your lift is going to be upskilling your current workforce. We've talked about it again, that specialized technical knowledge. You may or may not have these resources in your organization. I'd like to point out that data scientists, machine learning engineers, and data engineers are very different skill sets. You'll have to get to know what each of these skill sets require as you're reaching out to bringing these new people into your organization. And lastly, the one thing that down in the right-hand corner in the blue box are the domain experts. Now, you may already have these resources in your organization, and these are the people that have industry and institutional knowledge. That is so, so important. Make sure that you're engaging those that have institutional knowledge, and you can always partner them with outside consultants who may have industry knowledge. The 2 areas that I'm talking about here are software development, very important, and then again around education inside and outside of the organization about your AI initiatives. As you looked to move on, let's talk about completing that puzzle. One of the things that I brought forth is that this trajectory of artificial intelligence has moved from a speculative technology to a business essential, and it's a testament to how transformative the capabilities are. In the past decade, AI has moved from being a futuristic concept into a real-time solution provider, and that significantly impacts various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and technology. Now, its adoption has not only optimized operational efficiencies, but it's also fostered new innovation solutions to complex business challenges. Fueled by public awareness and engagement, the AI market has witnessed a remarkable growth over the years. Right now, the AI market's valued at $65.48 billion. At least it was valued at that in 2020. And it's projected to catapult up to 1.581 billion by 2030. If you look at the arrow that I have here, right, as public awareness increases, your customer demand is going to increase, those employee salaries are going to increase. And my question is, will you be ready? We know that these factors contribute directly to a labor market that's going to be constrained by the number of available candidates who can fill the roles and who have the expertise that's needed to build out that AI dream team. So, what's the path forward? We've explored these critical areas of consideration when it comes to building out your team. How does that align with your strategic plans? Now, as an experienced product owner, the collaborative nature of this investigation is to build out a strategy that's comprehensive And that can be a little bit daunting. And truthfully, everybody is squeezed for time right now to put in the attention that's needed to keep up with the changes that are happening so rapidly. So I would invite you to reach out to me here on LinkedIn and let's discuss if I can assist with some of that cognitive offloading for you to help you create the strategy and that roadmap for your efforts. Because we know that building the right AI team is crucial for success. Each role plays a specific part in making AI work for your business, and you need to invest in the talent and to foster a culture of learning to stay ahead of this AI game. Well, thank you for joining me today. I hope that this was insightful and impactful. And I will be here again next week where we're going to be discussing more about AI, more about new technologies that are coming about, and the rapid advancements that are happening in the market, especially around healthcare. Thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you guys here again next week. Thanks.